back to my channel. I wanted to share with you guys today how I put together my hot cocoa bar and a little extra special treats that I have sitting in my little cocoa bar area for you guys to indulge in. Something a little extra for your guests or for yourself, or for when you're in the mood for something different than hot cocoa. Alrighty, so I have this 2-tiered tray that I got on Amazon, and I will link it in the description box below. I chose the 2-tier tray because a 3-tier just doesn't sit underneath my cabinets like the 2-tiered tray does, so I went ahead and picked up one of these. Absolutely love it. Definitely worth it, especially for a hot cocoa bar. Alright, so the first things that I have on my little 2-tiered tray is just a cute little sign that says old-fashioned hot cocoa, so you know that you can get your hot cocoa here at this little station. The next thing that I have here are some cute little peanuts, Charlie Brown, the Charlie Brown vanilla cocoa I have here. And then I have 2 more sitting down here, which is the Happy Holidays Snoopy Sweet S'mores cocoa and the Linus Creamy Caramel Cocoa. These I picked up at Bass Pro Shops. I'm not really sure if you can get those there now, but you can definitely go check it out and see if you can or not, but that's where I picked up mine. I also have sitting up here on our first little level is just a cute little house that I have a little tea light in that lights up. It's super, super cute. I have a cute little snowman mug that has little straws in it for you to put inside of your cocoa, or if you choose to have hot apple cider, you could actually have hot apple cider as well. I just have 2 packets of this sitting here just in case, you know, sometimes I like to have a hot apple cider with a little cinnamon stick. So I put these here as well. And then I have 2 little packets of hot cocoa mix. This one is from the Private Collection. I just picked these up at Kroger. They were like 59 cents. This one is the white chocolate hot cocoa, and this is the caramel sea salt hot cocoa. I love caramel sea salt, so I just kind of thought I'd go ahead and give this a try. I just kind of stash these back here in the back so anybody can grab one if they would like to. So let's go down and focus on the bottom part of my 2-tiered cocoa bar. All right, so you see here I have some green sugar that you can sprinkle on top of your hot cocoa, just like you see I have some sprinkled inside of there. I also have a cute little jar that says Merry Christmas on it that has like little candy canes in there. I usually keep some cinnamon sticks in here as well, but I used all my cinnamon sticks on my other little tiered tray. And then as you spin this around, you can see this is where I keep all of my little condiments for your hot cocoa. These little jars were $1 at the dollar store. I just put marshmallows inside of this one. This one is the hot chocolate, excuse me, this chocolate sprinkles that I actually sprinkled on top of my hot cocoa. And this is so much fun because it just actually adds so much cute little colorness to your hot cocoa, and it's just so fun. And then this is the hot cocoa that I put inside of to make my hot cocoa. You can use actually chocolate milk if you want to, but this is just a hot cocoa mix that I picked up at Kroger. This was the brand of cocoa mix that I picked up at Kroger, and it is just so good. It's just so rich and chocolatey. So I really like making my hot chocolate with this. And then I use Ready Whip on top of my hot cocoa because, again, it just adds a little bit more flavor to it and just kind of fun to add all the sprinkles and stuff on it. And then I just turn my little tray around, and then I also have some red sprinkles as well to add to the hot cocoa if you choose to do so. And then I just slide this right on over into the little corner. And then over here, I just have a cute little sign that says fresh coffee and hot cocoa served daily, and just a cute little snowman sitting there. And then I have it all next to my mugs as well. So if you feel free to grab a mug and make yourself a cup of hot chocolate, you can feel free to do so. And for now, I'm going to sign off. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoy this, and I am going to sit back and enjoy my hot cocoa.